Hey guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. So I know homecoming is right around the corner, which is why I partnered with Creme of Nature to bring you guys this large flexi rod set. I really wanted to do this video because I know a lot of us can feel tempted to alter our hair whenever a special event comes up. So I wanted to show you that you can still wear your natural hair and still look cute. So just keep on watching. Now for the style, I used the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Styling Collection, starting with their Detangling and Conditioning Shampoo and Conditioner, two of my top favorites. And these definitely left my hair super clean and soft and just ready to be styled. The Coconut Milk Collection is made with certified natural coconut oil, which helps to soften and improve manageability. So all of the products in this collection are definitely very moisturizing. So since these flexi rods are larger than usual, I don't have to do a whole bunch of sections. I only need about 9 to 10, which definitely helps to cut down the time it takes to install these rollers. And the rollers I got are from the brand Annie. They are the soft twist rollers, and I just got them from my local beauty supply store. Now starting with my first section of hair, I'm spraying it with some water and then I am going to detangle with my Tangle Teaser. And if you want to cut back on the drying time, I highly would recommend to blow dry your hair or work on stretched hair, because working on wet hair, it does take a bit more time to dry, especially with the bigger sections. So the first product I used is the Coconut Milk Curl Repair Leave-In, and this is meant to lock in moisture for dry, damaged hair, and it's also great for daily hydration, preventing breakage, and promoting stronger, healthier hair. So I definitely love this leave-in. All of the products in this collection smell so good, but this leave-in definitely was the perfect product to put on top of my hair, just because it made it super soft and moisturized. Now for my styler, I use the Coconut Milk Curl Quench Foaming Mousse, and I definitely love this mousse. It is meant to tame frizz, add moisture and shine, and most importantly, provide hold for twist outs and rod sets. So I just went ahead and used about 2 to 3 pumps per section, and that was perfect. I really like this foaming mousse because it doesn't go onto your hair like sticky. It goes on really nice and smooth, and it makes your hair super soft as well. So I am just going to work that into my hair, and then when I feel like, it's worked in, I am going to just go in one more time with my Tangle Teaser to make sure my hair is nice and smooth, and then I will begin putting my hair onto the flexi rod. And all I'm going to do is just wrap my end around the rod and then just roll all the way up and secure. So of course I did the exact same steps all around my hair. I just used the leave-in conditioner to first moisturize, and then I followed up with my styler, the foaming mousse, just to really set my hair and make sure my hair has some hold. And then I went and rolled my hair with the large flexi rod, and it did not take me long at all to install these. The install was super duper easy. And just a tip, if you do want a little bit more length, instead of rolling your hair up on the rollers on the flexi rod, you can definitely wrap your hair around, and I will link some flexi rod tutorials below if you want to know how to do it that way. So this is what my hair looks like completely installed. I only used 9 flexi rods in total, and this is the next morning. So to dry my hair, I did sit underneath my hooded dryer for 2 hours, and then I let my hair dry for 24 complete hours. So since I did use bigger sections and I worked on wet hair, it did take a lot longer to dry. So like I said, to speed up the drying process, you can work on stretched hair, blow dried hair, or just choose not to use a ton of water. So now you just see me taking down the flexi rods, and it's super easy to do. Just unwind it the opposite way you put them in. And I know initially the curls are looking a bit weird, it's looking puffy, but I promise it's going to come together. I am going to separate these curls so that it can be nice, curly, and voluminous. So I am using the Coconut Milk Essential 7 Treatment Oil, and this is a repairing oil for moisture and protection. Y'all know I like to apply a small amount of oil to my hands before I separate my hair, just because it helps to reduce frizz, and also with this oil it definitely helps to protect from breakage and smooth and soften, as well as add shine. So just going to rub that onto my hair, and then I am going to begin separating. Now, you guys know how I separate my hair if you've watched any of my videos, but of course for the new ones, I'm just going to show you. I like to just take small pieces of my hair and twirl it around my finger, and when you do that with a flexi rod set, it definitely helps to enhance the curls. So these big lumpy curls you see, it's definitely going to help bring out each and every single curl that is inside of these sections, and it's just going to help give me some volume as well. With this style, you definitely can get 2 different looks depending on how you separate your hair. So if you choose to separate your hair the way I am doing it, then you are going to get a more curly type of look. But if you were to kind of just run your fingers through these sections or run a comb or however you would like to do it, you would get more of a wavy type of look. So it kind of just depends on the look you're going for. I will link down below another YouTuber. Her name is Curl Days. She kind of inspired this style. She did her separating much different than mine, and her curls looked a little different. So I'll link her video down below if you want to see the 2 differences. Now, since this is a homecoming look, I wanted to do something a little different. So I am going to be pinning the side of my hair with this cute hairpin I got from the beauty supply, and I'm going to lay my hair down with the 24-hour edge tamer from the Coconut Milk collection. It's supposed to smooth, hold, and control your edges, and this is the cute hairpin that I got. So I'm just taking my edge control brush, dipping it in the edge control, and then laying my edges. And everybody lays their edges differently. I didn't really do too much. I kind of just really wanted to lay this part down before I put in the hairpin. Now, to finish off the style, I am just laying my edges on the other side as well, because you don't want your hair blowing in the wind or something and you only did one side of your edges. So doing that, and then last but not least, I'm going to go in with my wide tooth comb to give me some more volume. Of course, like, you can never have too much volume, so I'm just going to work that and get my hair looking the way I want, and then these are the final results. So this is the final look, you guys, and I was so in love with it. Like, I put on a nice little dress. I really thought that I was going to homecoming, but I hope this look inspires you all to wear your natural hair whether it's for homecoming or just another special event that goes on, because you definitely can still look really cute with your natural hair and your natural curls. So don't forget to get your hands on the Creme of Nature Coconut Milk Styling Collection. The products are super affordable. They range from $4 to $5. So you can get them at your local beauty supply store, Walgreens, and also Walmart. So let me know what you guys think about this look. And if you like it, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.